Thousands continue to make their way out of the Nevada desert tonight following the campout festival known as Burning Man.
Now, this is after heavy rain left roads muddy, trapping festival goers over the weekend. But one Central Valley man argues they were not stranded, and he says it was actually quite the opposite. Fox 26 News reporter Sophia Lesseos spoke to a documentary filmmaker for Burning Man who says self-reliance is all part of the experience. Sophia, please explain.
Yeah, Monty and Liz. Terrence Pratt says in the 18 years he's actually been attending that festival, this was his best experience yet. And he says those that were stuck just didn't follow the Burning Man's 10 principles.
No one in my village, it ruined none of their burns. It only intensified it and made it a better thing.
What started as a week-long campout focused on art, community, and self-expression in the Nevada desert, free of judgment, ended with this. Law enforcement in Pershing County said most of the Burning Man's festival operations were stopped or significantly delayed over the weekend because of an unusual summer storm. Some reports said more than 70,000 people were stranded in the Black Rock Desert. But one Three Rivers man says that's not necessarily true.
We weren't stuck. We were having the times of our lives. We had bonding and community experiences that I've never had. And I think a lot of everyone I met was having a great time.
Terrence Pratt was working on a documentary about Burning Man when more than half an inch of rain fell at the festival site Friday.
We all knew it was coming, and those that were prepared, and we just stuck it out. That was all you can do.
Event organizers closed roads over the weekend because of muddy conditions and reopened these Monday afternoon. Pratt says even though some people had to rely on others for help, that's all part of the experience.
Radical self-reliance. That's literally one of the principles. That in community, caring for each other. And so that has a lot to do with it too. I had two campers that camped in my RV that we used for an office out here because their tent got totally waterlogged. So it was like, yeah, a lot of people did that.
According to law enforcement, at least one person died at the event, but Burning Man organizers say the death wasn't weather related. Pratt says many of the people who were stuck most likely didn't follow the 10 principles of the festival.
It's trauma bonding, it's community. The only people that are out here are the people that really want to be out here. You quickly figure out who doesn't want to be here. And we watched a bunch of those people, and those are the ones you see stuff on the news.
I do want to preface, this isn't the first time Burning Man has had disruptions. Dust storms forced organizers to temporarily close entrances to the festival in 2018, and the event was canceled twice during the pandemic. Monty, Liz?
It is wild when you see, again, the images of those vehicles that are stuck in the mud, but a lot of them seem to be creating their own paths out of there.
Yeah, exactly, they were. And law enforcement did say to not leave, and they just opened up the roads today.
All right, thanks so much.
Thanks, yeah.
Now, the Burning Man Project tweeted out today saying that as of 2 in the afternoon, Exodus operations officially began at Black Rock City, and again, that driving ban was lifted.
Now, some areas still do remain muddy, so organizers encourage everyone leaving the festival to stay on hard roads and out of standing water. Good advice.